Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Standout looks, standout capabilities, so you can stand out on the job site. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, turbo V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments, massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.